first?
First and foremost, gonna, if you're given a chance to what we call this, to settle down, to have a family, first and foremost, you're gonna, yes, yes, the first is the trust, yes, because the trust, we're gonna big foundation in your family, yes, we're going to earn the children. The second is,
Second.
the second is what we call this, what we call this,
Ugot gani.
Tanaw ko sa imo. Ya lang ka.
Basta te
First,
pwede na
second is what we call this is what we call this, the family, what we call this, family reunion when it comes to family conversation to each other.
Asa ko cellphone ba yun?
Ay, Alan.
Kasi,
Paalan, ayaw kawat kong cellphone.
Ako mag-parts ba lang.
okay.
Kawat.
So, did you introduce him the family of yours?
Dugay pa kayong time ay perfect. Wala sabi, konsal ko sa Alan. Oo. Si Nicole. Eric. Kami lang. Wala si Pony. Kita ka sa Friendster? Oo. Asa ka karon? Unsa imong nag-unsa ka da karon?